You're not asking for much. All you want is a stick vacuum that's more convenient, more versatile, and more powerful. All you want is in the Ergorapido Ultra Plus from Electrolux. It's a 2-in-1 stick and hand vac that offers you extra cleaning power with no strings attached. Ergorapido Ultra Plus has a 12-volt battery that delivers 25% more power than previous models, cyclonic technology that maintains suction longer, and a motorized brush roll for powerful bare floor cleaning. With a cleaning head that swivels 180 degrees, the Ergorapido Ultra Plus can go just about anywhere, and it even has an LED headlight to show the way for more convenient cordless cleaning power here, and here, and here. Ergorapido Ultra Plus is here. From Electrolux to you. Electrolux, thinking of you.